The Rita device in itself is a very progressive device that supports people living with dementia. It's a communication tool that they can use to support others to understand them, but also it's a regulation tool for them. In Wales, we've got the Dementia Action Plan, and we've got quite a lot of legislation that drives us to make improvements for people living with dementia. This has supported us to be able to achieve some of those in Wrexham.
My role is about putting the person in the centre of everything, always going forward. So working with the Rita, obviously the person-centred side of that is to have their personal profiles, to get talking with them, to find out their likes and their dislikes, to be able to use certain games, videos, reminisce on photographs as well. So we're able to see with them each personal side of things that is different for every single person who is using the Rita device.
We're able to take that individual, the person that exists behind the diagnosis, we're taking that person with them through ambulance, into hospital and back again, to ensure that staff are able to care for those individuals in the best person-centred way that they possibly can.
If they are dysregulated at any point, the most important thing they can do is look into the back resource and go, this makes me happy. So it's a meaningful approach to supporting somebody, putting them at the centre.